Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, June 15, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 15, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, June 15, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for June 15, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, June 15, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.